Hello, welcome back again. Chef David Rose here with your Chef Series at the Georgia Power Customer Resource Center. And we're finishing up the final touches, but not quite yet, of our pork Wellington, which you have right here. So far, a quick recap on the steps that brought us to this moment. We made the duxelle with the apples, with the sage, with the mushrooms, with the onions, with these shallots in there. Hit it with that Madeira wine. Add a nice little sweetness. We got ahead and seared off the pork tenderloin. We wrapped all of that deliciousness, all that yumminess inside the prosciutto. Now you know what's next. We're wrapping it in puff pastry. You guessed it right. So after allowing the pork tenderloin about good 15-20 minutes, let that set back up in the fridge. We're gonna unravel it from the plastic wrap that has the prosciutto and place it inside of our puff pastry. Sounds simple enough, right? Be careful not to roll it off the side of the table. No bueno. All right. Oh, that looks good. All right. So we have that delicious prosciutto that's now adhered to the pork tenderloin with the help of that delicious duxelle. You take that, and if you want, save yourself a step and some energy, use the plastic wrap and just unroll it onto the puff pastry. Easy, right? Put it right in the middle, like so. And to get you started with the rolling process, feel free. You could use the plastic wrap to roll it, and then from there, get it all in the inside of the puff pastry. Want to secure the sides like that, press it down, press it under, down, and press it under like so. And what we want to do now is secure the Wellington inside of the puff pastry. So we're going to roll it one more time, I promise, the last time. By us rolling it, it's getting rid of all those air pockets, making it a nice uniform shape, and it's gonna make for a great presentation when it comes out of the oven. All right? Take the sides again and just roll it up. And by rolling it like this, it's gonna ensure that nice, tight, cylindrical shape when we bake it. All right, looks like a little burrito, but it's not. It's a pork Wellington, so make sure you come back. We're gonna finish this off and the Alto Sham Vector, and it's gonna be oh so tasty. Stay tuned, guys.